This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hi, I'm Mick Soletti here with your afternoon update from ABC15 Arizona. New data from Pfizer showing the vaccine is safe and effective for kids ages 5 to 11. The company planning to share its findings with the FDA shortly and will apply for emergency use authorization. Right now, only kids 12 and up are eligible for the Pfizer shot. It's September 20th and the day the Biden administration hoped booster shots would begin, but it's not happening right now. However, booster shots will be a big topic of discussion still. A CDC panel likely to vote on recommendations for who should be getting them. Last week, an FDA advisory panel recommended booster shots for people 65 and up and anybody at high risk. It did not approve boosters for the general public.
Place that might still be somewhat questionable would be the very youngest individuals. Is the benefit risk needed there? But certainly I think there will be a decision in the coming weeks to extend boosters beyond the list that they approved on Friday.
The full FDA will consider the panel's advice and make its own decision likely in the very near future. We'll keep you updated on what they decide. As hospitals treat COVID patients, doctors in rural communities worry patients who need specialty care are being neglected. From Bisbee to Flagstaff, smaller hospitals are trying to care for patients without having them to transfer to bigger hospitals in the valley. Last year, the Department of Health Services created a surge line to facilitate these kinds of transfers for COVID patients. Some doctors in rural areas say that this should be done for people who also don't have COVID. Maybe they have a different kind of disease they're dealing with. Starting today, the Phoenix Fire Department will begin offering free COVID vaccinations at city testing locations, including mobile COVID-19 vans. The vans also have the rapid tests. Meantime, the ABC15 Impact Earth team reporting extensively on the future of water in Arizona. In August, the federal government declared the first ever water shortage at Lake Mead. It means Arizona's share of water from the Colorado River will be cut by 20% next year. But other states are also facing shortages and finding ways to save water for the future. Meteorologist Jorge Torres has more.
You can literally see the effect the drought is having on Lake Mead. Like the lines on a bathtub, you can see where the water level was once more than 150 feet higher about 20 years ago. And by January, it's expected to drop even more to new record lows. According to our partners at Newsy, the city of Las Vegas gets 90% of their water from Lake Mead. So they're employing new tactics to save as much water as possible for the future.
My job is to go around the city of Las Vegas and basically look for water waste.
This is Cameron Donnarumma, a Vegas water cop.
We prefer to be called water waste enforcers.
He works for the Southern Nevada Water Authority. His job is to find water leaks and warn homeowners if they're letting their sprinklers run too long. New state laws are helping homeowners pay for water-smart front yards. On top of that, the city is set to replace 4,000 acres of real grass with the fake stuff, conserving up to 9 billion gallons of water a year. Tactics like this are working. According to the state's water planners, despite Las Vegas's population jumping 46% from 2002 to 2018, their Colorado River water use actually dropped by 25%. It's something they hope can be repeated in other states.
And I think it's foolish for anyone to think that they're just going to sit and wait and not have to be a part of the solution. Everybody's going to have to do more with less in order for the West to continue to thrive.
Reporting for Impact Earth, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres.
Arizona doing its part to tackle the water crisis. Tempe investing in water recycling. Buckeye working with tribes to access their water resources.
Time now for that most accurate forecast. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermoso. It's going to be a very seasonable day. A nice way to start off the week with clear skies for much of the day. A few high clouds drifting in this evening and a high of 99 this afternoon, which is actually right at the average high for this time of year. A few neighborhoods in our state could hit the triple digits. That includes folks out at Lake Havasu and Yuma. Mid 80s today in Sedona, upper 80s in Kingman, with temperatures in the mid to upper 90s from Flagstaff to Show Low, mid to upper 70s rather from Flagstaff to Show Low. No 90s for you. We've got a disturbance passing to our north, that ushering in some drier air. It's going to keep those temperatures near normal. A few high clouds may drift in this evening, but otherwise dry conditions. Then we get a little hotter with high pressure building in for a few days. Low hundreds for highs a few days this week, but we've got another storm system to watch, and that one is going to bring back our rain chances towards the end of the week. So here's that 7-day forecast. Look for a high of 99 today, a few high clouds this evening, triple digits for a few days, then 90s with rain chances starting Friday.
For the latest news, weather, and traffic, go to abc15.com or just download our free ABC15 mobile app.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.